In this video, I will be showing you how to make a menu board in Canva. Let's get started. I'll begin by going to the search bar on the Canva home screen and typing in menu board. Once the results load, I'll scroll through the various templates until I find one that catches my eye. This Blackboard Cafe menu looks perfect, so I'll click on it and then select Customize this template to bring it into the editor. Now that the design is open, I can start making it my own. First, I'll remove the existing cake illustration to make some room and then fix the typo in the beverage heading. Next, I'll double-click the appetizer text and rename it Cakes and Bread. To add some fresh visuals, I'll head over to the Elements tab on the left and search for pastry. I'll click See All under Graphics to find the best icons. I'll select this cinnamon roll illustration, change its color to white to match our Blackboard style, and then resize and position it near the text. I'll follow the same process for a lemon cake icon and a steaming coffee cup, ensuring they are all changed to white so they pop against the dark background. After arranging the graphics, I'll take a moment to adjust the spacing of the text and icons to ensure the entire layout looks balanced and professional. Finally, I'll update the menu list to reflect my specific items. I'm replacing the default text with mocha cake, chocolate mousse, strawberry cake, banana bread, and coffee toffee. I'll do a final check to make sure the alignment is perfect and the prices are easy to read. With those simple edits, our design is finished and looks great. Now you have a professional-looking menu board ready to display for your business.